Welcome to the Frog Races, another episode of Nostradamus Does Life Epic. We are getting ready because the rain has brought out the stallions of the trade, the frogs. We have a few of them that have agreed to such festivities, lounging in the green room, otherwise known as the Blue Bowl. In a moment, with Solomon officiating, we are going to partake in the race of a lifetime. Hyder, are you ready?
What end do they have to go to?
Okay, so the rules of the game.
There's another frog.
We don't need another frog. Okay, ready? The rules of the game. Everybody take a corner. I'm here. Go over there, get on the outside. We're going to lift the lid. You got to get outside the ring. Who's ever frog, which is like fortune cookies at a table, okay? Stay there. No, don't move. Okay, it's like fortune cookies at a table. I'm going to lift the lid. And whichever frog is facing you is your frog. Okay. And whichever one of those frogs makes it to the edge first.
Any edge or what?
Any edge. It doesn't matter if it crosses over, goes the other way. Doesn't matter, okay? Here we go. And the lid. The contenders getting ready in the chute. On the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Who's facing which way? All right. There we go. Get back. Don't touch. Don't touch. There. Hunter, then Dad. Mine's still just standing. What were you doing?
Okay, that's fine.
Why
thought we were supposed to hold the frogs until we stay at one edge and let them go. That's what I thought.
I just said, let them go. And my frog is not going.
False start.
Boo. Okay, go catch your frog. There's one right there next to Dad.
I got this one.
Oh, this is good. Now Harley's crawling for the frog.
Good. Don't crush it.
Your frog is under shock.
My frog is not moving.
Good.
Hey, don't squish my frog.
Move.
Oh, wow.
I'll just make it okay.
Are you alive?
It's a frogapalooza. Here.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Try to catch.
Stop, easy. Hardly easy on them.
I'm trying to catch 2 frogs at once. Come here.
Don't squish their legs when you put the bucket down.
Whoa! There's
And then pull your pants up. Nobody wants to see your butt crack.
down there.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, there.
These frogs are
There's one.
We can move the ring.
One escaped.
These frogs are. Wait, get in there.
We're gonna be eating frog legs for dinner.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh.
Okay,
Right.
here we go. Now without Harley running into the middle.
Alright, switch.
I shall back up. Okay.
Alright, I'm going to be right here.
Frogatopia, take 2. Go for it.
3, 2, 1.
This is my frog. This one the closest to me.
It's just like looking at
They are
me.
shocked.
Wow.
They're like, we did this already. Get back, Hunter.
They're just standing.
Okay, start walking around. Here we go around. Hyder!
I want to move.
That's it. The frog game didn't work. Go let your frogs go.
Set them free. Set them free. Don't set them free by this big bird that waiting all the time here on the fence.
There you go.
Yeah, that big bird lives here
Uh-oh.
because this is fish hatchery. Hardy.
Whoa.
Go put him back in the grass. Let him go.
Frogs got out of control. But then when you cover them with the blue, that's a blue sky, they got shocked. Actually, this is experimental. Probably the blue shocked the frog.
There it is. The changing of the environment. They thought the world had turned over. End of the frog races. Goodbye.